Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this Meguiar's Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. It comes with everything you need to do the job except for a drill. It's got the sanding pad, the two different types of sandpaper, the buffing compound, the buffing wheel that goes into your drill, the coating that you put on the headlights afterwards to prevent future yellowing, and it's got the pad to apply this coating. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to wipe all of the dirt and debris off of the headlight before you get started. And the instructions are on the kit. They're pretty easy to follow, but you'll start off by sanding with the first heavier grit sandpaper. You need to make sure to wet the sanding pad before you use it on the light. It's a wet sanding process. You can see in the top right corner of the screen every now and then that I am wetting the pad with a water bottle I have that has a hole cut in it. Along with this, every time you take a pass over the light, you need to wipe all the debris away because you're agitating basically the yellow plastic, and you don't want to keep putting that in, you want to take that away. And you'll keep sanding until the color of the sanded away debris turns white instead of coming off yellow. And then you'll switch to the other sanding pad, and you'll just keep doing this over and over. Do not sand in circular motions, make sure you're sanding in straight lines both ways across the headlight. And you may want to tape around the headlight to protect the paint, but this was a cheap car, so I did not do that. After sanding with the sandpaper, apply some of the buffing compound to the drill pad, and then use the drill to apply it to the headlight. Once you have applied it to where it's a fairly even haze, wipe it away with a rag, and this is where you'll start to see the pretty immediate results of the kit. This is where all the magic is done. And you can just keep doing this process over and over until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, you will use the small applicator pad to apply the protective coating to the lens so that it doesn't yellow again in the future, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, you just saw me use this Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit, the heavy duty kit. It comes with everything you need except the drill, of course, which, I mean, if you're tackling a project like this, you've got a drill. But holy cow, look at the results. Those are as clear as the day they came off the factory floor. And this is what we started with here. There's no denying that works, huh? Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more projects and videos.